limp, limp. To walk slowly and with difficulty. Lucas had to limp after hurting his ankle. Lucas had to limp after hurting his ankle. Mock, mock. To laugh at someone or something. Harry and Marvin are mocking the new student on the street. Harry and Marvin are mocking the new student on the street. Terrified, terrified. To be very frightened. That night was so scary that we were terrified. That night was so scary that we were terrified. Sorrow, sorrow. To feel great sadness. Oliver felt sorrow when his dog died. Oliver felt sorrow when his dog died. Overjoy, overjoy. To be extremely pleased and happy. My daughter was overjoyed to see me after so long. My daughter was overjoyed to see me after so long. Startle, startle. To suddenly surprise. Noah startles his little sister when he shouts. Noah startles his little sister when he shouts. Astound, astound. To surprise or shock someone very much. The report astounded us last day. The report astounded us last day. Compel, compel. To force someone to do something. Every day Amelia compel her child to go to school. Every day Amelia compel her child to go to school. Leap, leap. To jump from a surface. Noah leaps over the hurdle during the game. Noah leaps over the hurdle during the game. Weary, weary. To be very tired. William is weary after a long day. William is weary after a long day. Insight, insight. To encourage someone to do something violent. Elijah incites the people to protest. Elijah incites the people to protest. Wander, wander. To walk slowly about a place without a plan or definite purpose. He wander around on the road at night. He wander around on the road at night. Wag. Wag. To move from side to side or up and down, especially of a tail or finger. Henry's dog was wagging its tail. Henry's dog was wagging its tail. Slam. Slam. To shut with force and noise like a door, window, or lid. Lily slammed the window in anger. Lily slammed the window in anger. Console. Console. To alleviate sorrow. Lucille is consoling his crying friend. Lucille is consoling his crying friend. Snuggle. Snuggle. To cuddle with someone. To sit or lie close together. My dog snuggles in my lap every day. My dog snuggles in my lap every day. Stagger. Stagger. To move on unsteadily. Lucas staggered tripping with books on the sidewalk. Lucas staggered tripping with books on the sidewalk. Gloomy. Gloomy. To be unhappy. Liam was getting gloomy after losing the game. Liam was getting gloomy after losing the game. Adore. Adore. To love someone very much. Ava's mother adores her a lot. Ava's mother adores her a lot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.